Alright, so I know so many people out there are struggling to start a short form faceless YouTube channel, and the reason is because of just one simple question: how do I create short form faceless YouTube videos? Now, I know many people feel this way, and that is why I am bringing to you the solution to your problem. One simple tool that only needs your instructions to start helping you create hundreds of short form videos in seconds. Now, Vid.ai is the tool that we all have been waiting for. So this tool can do what so many of us are struggling to do. So just watch out. Now, what is Vid.ai? Vid.ai is an AI tool which can be used to create AI generated YouTube shorts in seconds. So this tool is created by Matt Power from the Make Money Matt channel. A seasoned YouTuber who runs over 12 channels, and you can see that this tool is also trusted by some of the biggest creators in the YouTube space. Now, how do you use this tool? So you want to start a YouTube short channel. That idea is not enough, right? You also need a software that can help you turn those ideas into hundreds of short form videos in seconds. And that is why this video is going to be focused mainly on beginners, who don't know how to use those tools appropriately for optimal performance and results. Now, click the link in the video description box below to come create yourself an account on Vid.ai, because that is only what you need to start making use of this tool in creating hundreds of short form videos. So right here on my own personal dashboard, you can see I have some draft videos right here, and I'm going to show you how to create a better one even from scratch. So go ahead and click on new project, and right here you want to choose the faceless shorts section. So now I want you to pay attention to everything that I will be sharing from here onward. And now you can see that here on Vid.ai, alright, there are 3 ways in which you can use in generating your own videos. I'm going to walk you through all of those 3 methods so that you can choose the one that basically suits you and would work well for you. Now, firstly, which is the most easiest for me, is the prompt section right here. So I'm going to go ahead and give those tools a simple prompt, because that is the easiest way for me to create my own videos here on Vid.ai. So I'm going to write something like the top 10 richest countries in the world. So I want this tool to help me create a short form video content on the top 10 richest countries in the world. Now then, go ahead and choose your video duration, and then you can also go choose your narrator. And of course, we have plenty of narrator to choose from here on Vid.ai, and this is something I love about the tool, that I am not just limited to 2 or 3 more narrators. I have more than 5 narrators right here that I can choose from. Now, once you've been able to choose your narrator, you want to go ahead and choose your video source. Now, this is also important because many times when we try to create short form videos, we need to be able to tell if we want our videos to be from natural sources, or probably from anime, or probably from cinematic content, comic art, and anything, or even to gameplay videos and viral videos. So you have quite a number of video sources that you can choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with the natural sources because I think I like that much more better. Now, once I've been able to choose that, I'm going to go ahead and click on generate content. So we'll just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and right here on this tab where we can find the Vid.ai video editor. Now, this is actually a smart editing feature which can help us polish our videos with minimal effort. Now, including things like adding your own personal image. So let's say you're not satisfied with the image you have on Vid.ai, you can do to upload your own image. You can also do things like changing the text and also editing your scripts if you really want to do that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on next, because I am fine with all of those things that the Vid.ai tool has provided me with. And now then you can see that we have some other basic stuff to edit to our preference, which includes choosing a background music, which sometimes can be very, very important. And as well, you can do other things like changing your own video text and many other things. Now, so coming down a little bit, you can see where we have some stuff that we can play with, which is we doing things like changing our font types, font colors, video effect, and many other things. So all of these things is to help you tailor your video outputs to your preference. So if you want to go ahead and make some editing, you can go ahead and do that. For me, I don't need to change anything myself. If I want to, I can go ahead and do that, but I really don't want to. I just love everything that's been displayed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. So once I do click on generate, I would have to wait for a bit of seconds to have a final video output, and then we can see what it looks like. So right here guys, you can see we have our video ready and looking beautiful already. Now I'm going to go ahead and play this to show you guys what the video we just created looks like.
Did you know some countries are incredibly wealthy? Let's explore the top 10 richest nations in the world.
Alright, you can see how amazing this is guys. In just few minutes guys, we were able to create a video that is looking like this. So you can see how professional this is, and you can see how amazing those Vid.ai tool can be. So this is actually what it takes for you to start creating your video on Vid.ai. Very easy and very simple. Now, so to me, this is an amazing tool to make use of. So I can go as far as even downloading the video into my computer by clicking on download right here, and you can see that our video is being downloaded. So many software out there will not allow you download your videos. They will only tell you that you can use the video only on the software. All right, but here on Vid.ai, you can as well create your video, you can watch your video, preview it, and can also download directly into your device. So how amazing and how super this software is. But that's not all, friends. Remember I told you that we have 3 ways on which you can create your videos on Vid.ai. So this is just number 1. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the second step and also the third step. So remember, you have to choose the one that basically suits you and would work better for you. All right, so for the second way, let's go ahead with this amazing feature we have on Vid.ai, which is the ability for you to use pre-made video topics available on the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new project again right here. I'm going to choose from here. You can see where I have this one that says popular topics. Okay, I can go ahead and choose my popular topics, and you can see that we have a lot of them right here. You can see from motivational topics to animal facts to philosophy and so many other things. So what this tool is actually going to be doing for us is that it's going to be helping us channeling our video content, all right, towards the pre-made topics on the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and choose animal fact for this video. I can go ahead and even add some more detailed keywords like dogs and puppies. So my video will be on dogs and puppies alone. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually leave everything the same way it is. It's very simple. Like I told you, if you decide to make some changes, it's all for your good and all based on your preference. So for me, I am happy with everything I am seeing so far here on this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and actually leave it the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate, and right here you can see that we have this tab again. I'm going to still leave it the same way here, and I don't want to make any changes, right, because I love what I'm basically seeing. So I'm going to go ahead and choose click on generate, and then boom. So you can see that we have a video. All right, you can see we have a video waiting for us already. Now quickly, let's go ahead and play this again so you guys can see what I am talking about.
You know that puppies are born blind and deaf? They rely entirely on their sense of touch and smell. In their first few weeks, they spend most of their time sleeping and growing.
Alright guys, so you can see for yourself that we are able to get a video from the Vid.ai tool even without we giving it a prompt. All you have to do is just pick a pre-made topic on the tool, and actually I made some some kind of precise changes, which is me telling the software that I want my own animal fact video to be on puppies and dogs alone. So if you want to go ahead and do changes like this, you can do that. But if you want to go general, you can just leave it that way. I'm just going to help you go and make general videos on animal fact. Very simple and very, very amazing to use. So for those of us actually struggling to create a YouTube channel, now you can see how simple it is for you to use the software to creating hundreds of videos in matter of minutes. So if you actually go ahead and use those two for like a longer minute or longer time, you'll be able to get hundreds of videos at your disposal ready to be published on YouTube. So finally guys, let's talk about the last way in which you can start creating your video using the Vid.ai tool. Now for this one, it's actually going to be on you generating a script. Now what do I mean? For those of you who have a script and you would like to turn your script, okay, which is an article based, right, you want to turn that into a video format, you all have to just get your script ready. And once you have your script ready, come to this place right here. You can see where we have the script section, right? Go ahead and actually put in your script. Now once you do put in your script right here, you can see that in a matter of minutes you'll be getting this tool help you convert your script into videos. Now for me, I have a script here which is based on cooking. So I want to actually create a cooking video on how you can basically cook a kind of a meal, all right, in less than 30 seconds. Okay, so that is what the script is all about. So depending on my preference, right, you can see I have the script right here already. Now I'm going to go ahead and also leave it the same way it is. Okay, still not making any changes to this. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate content once again, and we're going to wait for the final output. And yeah, you can see, guys, you can see we have a video already made for us based on our preference. Remember I told you I have a script that is related to cooking. So guys, let me play this video for you so that you guys can see how that my script was converted into a video format.
Ingredient 1 and ingredient 2. Quick and easy. Heat a pan, add a little oil, and toss in the ingredients. Cook for 3-4.
That's it, guys. You can see we have a video ready to be watched, downloaded, and shared. So now tell me what you feel about this tool right in the comment section below. Honestly, I would love to know your thought on those tools. So if you have anything you have to say concerning this tool, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will appreciate your effort. So now I know many of you have actually found out how many YouTube channels out there are taking advantage of the software to create professional videos in quick time without spending a lot of money on freelancers who will just take your time and also charge you way more than what the tool is basically charging you for. Now let's go ahead and check out their pricing plans. Okay, let's see the pricing plan for the Vid.ai tool so that you guys can see for yourself that I am not bluffing. I am only telling you what is truth right here. So right here you can see that on the pricing plan here we have $67 for a month, which gives you access to over 100 videos creation. I mean like for you, like you're gonna be creating 100 videos in for just $67. And you can see that they also have amazing features that you get to enjoy every single month when you're able to pay $67 for 1 month. And now if you decide to go for a yearly plan, which means that you would have to pay only $58 per month. I mean $58 per month you're going to be paying for a year, and you can see that you have 2 months free. So for 2 months free, guys, you are going to be making use of those two without paying a penny, and you also get to enjoy every benefit that comes alongside with it. So tell me, what do you think about the software? For me, this is something amazing that you all would need to use if you want to start creating YouTube short. It helps you create better videos much more quicker and very, very affordable. So if you are ready to start creating professional YouTube short, so click the link in the video description box below, and I'm also going to be pinning the link in the comment section for easy access. So click on the link, go get yourself an account, and start using this tool to create multiple YouTube short videos. And I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself, and bye.